Most gardeners eventually face the same frustrating moment. You walk outside, look at your garden, and realize the soil is no longer alive. The ground looks dry, pale, and lifeless. Water no longer soaks into the earth the way it used to. Instead of disappearing slowly into rich, dark soil, it simply runs across the surface or vanishes instantly into cracks in the dirt. Plants that once grew strong and green now struggle to survive. Leaves turn yellow, stems weaken, and growth slows to a crawl. Many people assume that once soil reaches this point, it is finished dead, useless. The common reaction is simple. Go to the store and start buying new soil. Bag after bag of expensive garden soil, compost, fertilizers, and miracle products promising to restore life to the ground. But what if that entire approach is wrong? What if the secret to fixing dead soil has nothing to do with replacing it? What if the solution is not buying something new, but simply restoring what was already there? Because the truth is that healthy soil is not just dirt. It is a living ecosystem. Beneath the surface of healthy soil exists an entire invisible world, filled with billions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, and tiny creatures working together to create the perfect environment for plants to grow. These organisms break down organic matter, release nutrients, build soil structure, and allow roots to absorb everything they need. When this living system is active, soil becomes dark, soft, and full of life. Water moves easily through it. Roots grow deep and strong. Plants flourish. But when that life disappears, the soil slowly begins to die. Without microorganisms constantly rebuilding the structure of the soil, the ground becomes compacted and hard. Without organic activity, nutrients stop circulating. Without worms and microbial life creating channels in the earth, water cannot penetrate the surface properly. Over time, the soil turns into something that barely resembles living earth at all. It becomes dry, dusty, and unproductive. And this is exactly the moment when most gardeners panic and start buying new soil. But replacing soil is expensive, time-consuming, and often temporary, because if the biological life inside the soil is not restored, even brand new soil will eventually suffer the same fate. The real solution is much simpler and much more powerful. Instead of replacing the soil, you have it. Instead of importing life from outside, you reawaken the living system that soil naturally wants to have. And one of the most effective ways to do this uses something surprisingly simple. Compost tea. At first, the name may sound complicated, but the concept is incredibly straightforward. Compost tea is essentially water infused with beneficial microorganisms and nutrients extracted from organic matter. When applied to soil, this liquid becomes a powerful biological boost, reintroducing life and stimulating the entire underground ecosystem. Farmers have used similar techniques for centuries. Long before modern fertilizers existed, they understood that the secret to fertile land was not chemicals or constant replacement of soil, but the continuous feeding of the living organisms beneath the surface. When compost tea touches the ground, something fascinating begins to happen. At first, the change may seem subtle. The liquid sinks slowly into the soil, carrying millions of microorganisms with it. These microscopic workers immediately begin searching for organic material to break down. As they start their work, they release enzymes, nutrients, and organic compounds that gradually transform the environment around them. The soil begins to change structure. Tiny air pockets form as microbial activity increases. Water begins to move more easily through the ground. The soil starts to hold moisture longer instead of drying out immediately. Within hours of application, the soil often becomes noticeably darker and softer. But the real transformation happens beneath the surface. In a world invisible to the human eye, bacteria begin multiplying rapidly, feeding on organic particles in the soil. Fungi stretch delicate thread-like networks through the ground, connecting roots and transporting nutrients across microscopic distances. These fungal networks act almost like natural highways beneath the earth, delivering minerals and water exactly where plants need them. At the same time, Other organisms arrive to participate in this growing ecosystem. Protozoa feed on bacteria, releasing nutrients that plants can absorb directly. Nematodes help regulate microbial populations. And gradually, the entire underground environment becomes more balanced and active. As this system stabilizes, the soil begins regaining its natural structure. Instead of compacted dirt particles pressed tightly together, the ground forms small clusters called These aggregates create spaces that allow air, water, and roots to move freely through the soil. The difference between dead soil and living soil becomes dramatic. Dead soil feels dense, heavy, and lifeless. Living soil feels light, crumbly, and full of movement. One of the most exciting signs that soil is recovering is the return of earthworms. Worms are often called the engineers of healthy soil. As they move through the ground, they create tunnels that improve drainage and aeration. Their castings enrich the soil with nutrients and beneficial microbes. When worms return to a garden, it is a clear sign that the ecosystem beneath the surface is functioning again. But perhaps the most satisfying transformation appears in the plants themselves. Roots growing in living soil behave very differently than roots struggling in dead dirt. In healthy soil, roots spread outward and downward with ease, exploring the underground environment for nutrients and moisture. They form symbiotic relationships with fungi and microorganisms that help them absorb elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. As a result, plants begin to grow faster, stronger, and more resilient. Leaves become greener, stems grow thicker, flowers and fruits develop more abundantly. What makes this process even more remarkable is that once the soil ecosystem is restored, it often continues improving over time. Each season, as plants grow and organic matter returns to the ground, the microbial community becomes richer and more stable. Instead of constantly fighting against declining soil quality, gardeners begin working with a natural system that supports itself. And this is the real secret behind thriving gardens and productive farms throughout history. The goal was never to dominate the soil, but to nurture the living world inside it. By feeding microorganisms and maintaining organic cycles, the soil becomes stronger year after year. The idea that soil must constantly be replaced is actually a relatively modern misconception. In natural ecosystems, soil does not get thrown away and replaced. It evolves. Forest floors, grasslands, and fertile valleys develop incredibly rich soil over decades and centuries, simply through the interaction of plants, microbes, and organic matter. When gardeners learn to support these natural processes, instead of interrupting them, the results can be extraordinary. Areas that once appeared completely dead can slowly transform into thriving gardens again. Hard, lifeless dirt can become soft. Dark soil filled with worms and microbial life. Plants that once struggled can begin growing vigorously again. All of this starts with a simple shift in perspective. Instead of seeing soil as an inert material that must be replaced when it fails, we begin to understand it as a living system that can recover and regenerate. Compost tea is only one tool among many that can help stimulate this recovery. But it demonstrates a powerful principle. When we introduce life back into the soil and provide the conditions that microorganisms need to thrive, nature begins doing most of the work for us. Over time, gardeners who adopt this approach often find that they spend less money on soil, fertilizers, and treatments. Their gardens become more stable and productive with each passing season. The soil becomes easier to work with. Plants require less intervention, and the entire growing environment becomes more balanced. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of this transformation is how quickly the process can begin. Even soil that appears completely dead often still contains dormant microorganisms waiting for the right conditions to return. By introducing moisture, organic nutrients, and beneficial microbes, the entire system can wake up much faster than most people expect. What once seemed like barren dirt can reveal itself as a sleeping ecosystem ready to recover. This is why many experienced gardeners say that soil is never truly dead. It is simply waiting for life to return. And when that life begins to grow again, the results can be dramatic. Darker soil, stronger plants, increased biodiversity, and a garden that becomes more productive each year instead of less. In the end, the lesson is surprisingly simple. Healthy soil is alive. When we treat it as a living system and give it what it needs to thrive, it rewards us with abundance. Instead of constantly buying new soil and chasing temporary fixes, we can rebuild the foundation of our gardens from the ground up. And once that foundation is alive again, the entire garden begins to flourish in ways that many people never thought possible.